Alright, you're welcome to this particular tutorial on how to create a WhatsApp shop. Alright, in this course, or in this tutorial, I will teach you everything you need to know bit by bit on how to create a WhatsApp shop that will enable you to list your product and share the link to your friends or anybody that wishes to, or any method you have chosen to advertise your particular goods. Okay, so I will teach you step by step how to link it to your payment gateway and how every system works. So I want you to stay tuned in this channel. Make sure you do not drop along the line. Get to the end. Watch to the end. I repeat, watch to the end, because as we go through this course, I'll be releasing some secrets on how to do digital marketing. So do not forget to watch to the end. As I said, watch to the end. Alright, again, there is something that is so important, and that is this. Make sure you subscribe to this particular channel. Alright, subscribe to this particular channel, like it, and also share. You can comment also. It is very necessary. You know what it does? It will encourage us. What it will do for us is that it will encourage us to keep on producing this particular kind of tutorials for people like you and other persons in order to watch it and learn more about digital marketing. So make sure that you do not leave before the end of this video. At the end, there's also going to be some giveaway, some things we will tell you, giveaway incentives that will help you with your digital marketing journey. So stay tuned and stay put. So this is my browser I'm using. So this is my browser. I'm using a Microsoft Edge. You can use any one you want. You can use Firefox. You can use Google. You can use you can use Google Chrome. You can use whichever one you choose. For me, here now I'm using Microsoft Edge, and I think it's good for me. Alright, so okay, so if you go to your browser and typed or input www.vepaar.com. Vepaar is spelled Vepaar.com. This is what you will see when it finally loads. It will see this. And meanwhile, if you're using a mobile device, you can go to the Play Store and search for WhatsAsh. This particular platform was originally known as WhatsAsh before they translate or they migrated or they changed the name to Vepaar. So if you go to Play Store, you will see WhatsAsh Vepaar. So when you see this, it is what you are looking for. Just click on it and download it. This particular section we'll be going through now can works in this particular section we are going through now. You can use your phone. You can also decide to use a laptop. I'm using a laptop, so I will just do all the demonstration here on a laptop. But if you are using a mobile device, congratulations to you. You can as well still do this particular thing that we are doing here on your mobile device. It doesn't really matter, but just know that automatically you can still do it on your mobile device. Alright, so let's go straight away. Alright, so when you come to this particular interface, remember I told you if you are using a mobile device, you just go to Play Store and download this particular application. You will see WhatsAsh. If you don't, when you click, you will be seeing this Vepaar and you will see this logo, this sign. This sign identifies that this is what you are looking for. So immediately you see it, you download. Or if you see this one, you see this thing here, the hashtag, you download it. That's what we are looking for. WhatsAsh. So when you open a browser, it will look like this. But if you download it, you will see something like this as the sign of the app. So whichever one, yeah, good to go. So alright, so we'll just go straight to look at the interface and know what this particular platform is offering. So everything you need to manage your business on WhatsApp. Alright, so it's specifically designed to help you manage your business on WhatsApp. So when you are actually subscribing or registering for this, know that the intention for creating this particular thing is for you to use it on the WhatsApp. It works perfectly, and that's where it works. Any other platform it may not really work or give you what you want. So this is what it does. It is say it's used by 5,000 plus businesses to improve WhatsApp marketing and sell. Alright, these are the people. These are the people that have been using this particular platform to do their business. Alright, so this is what you will achieve with this particular platform. It's a store. You build your store builder, create your e-commerce store in just a few clicks, and start collecting online order directly on your WhatsApp. You have a store dashboard, you have a payment gateway, both have multi-language stores. Okay, that's what you benefit by using this particular platform. This is a testimonial from people who have been using it. Alright, so we go. I'll just straight away click on sign up for free. It's a free platform, so you don't need to pay. You click on sign up for free, so it will open an interface where you will sign up. Alright, so I already have an account, so what I will do, I will just put my name, Mark. We use Blaze in the other one, so we're gonna use Blaze again. Use Blaze as my name. Say Blaze. Okay. Alright, I put in my email address, then I put in a password. Make sure you put a strong password. It should be alphanumeric, which means a combination of alphabet and which means the combination of numbers and alphabet, and also the number that you will use, and also the alphabet you use. You have an uppercase and lowercase, and also you have to contain or add special numbers like @ hash, all those kind of things, comma, or whatever. Okay, make sure you add all this. That will make the password a strong one. And meanwhile, remember to put what you will remember. Don't just put something for putting sake. Okay, this is your store. You're supposed to treasure it. And meanwhile, you can also have a note. You jot it down, the password that you are putting, so that if you are the type that doesn't remember quick, or you have so many things on your head, you can as well easily go to that particular page that you wrote out the password and use it to log in. So when you write the password, you write the name you used in creating the account, then you put the password, and also put the email address, because it will help you. Sometimes they might ask you for the email. They'll ask for email verification. You will remember the exact email that you use. So when you're in digital market, you have plenty email addresses, you have plenty, so many things. So sometimes if you do not organize it well, you will not just remember what and what you have used in creating each account. So it's advisable. You can do it digitally by going to your Microsoft Excel and put it. You can use your notepad or your Microsoft application and still use it, and you can also store it online. Whichever one you choose is okay, but make sure you have this thing secured and well listed, so that you will know the one you have used, and when you have used, where you have used them. Alright, so having said that, let's dive in. Alright, so this is what actually you will see when you have logged in. It will require you to verify your account. There an email have been sent to you. We have sent an email to so email address, and you are required to click and verify. Alright, if you do not receive the email as they claim, you can press resend, and they will resend the email to you. Alright, so these are what you will see. Meanwhile, this is your URL. You can copy this particular link. Right, you can copy it. You can edit it. If you already have your own domain name, you can put it you can put it here and do all this. But since you are not a developer, this might be difficult for you to do, so don't worry, just choose this one they have already given you. Okay, and that's all. You can put your store name, like you put your store name here. You put your store name here, right? Send your name. You just put in your store name. You can remove this and put like say please. Guys. Okay, and this is save. So if we come back to this dashboard, you see it's showing here place event. So you can copy this particular URL and start using it. Okay, you can copy it and send to your friends so they can, when they click on it, we direct them to your page here where you list your products and they will start seeing your products. So alright, so these are the things that is actually required of you in this particular platform. Alright, so you have to input your WhatsApp number, you select your country wherever you are, you select your country code, you input your WhatsApp number, the number you yourself is using for WhatsApp, and you click create. You can also add your social media links like your Facebook, you can add your Twitter, you can count anyone you wished. When you click here, you can add your your Facebook link here and you click create. You also add other links if you wish. Then your domain name, you have trash that one out, and then so on and so forth. So now let's go to the store to see how to create and display. Meanwhile, you need to add this. You put your store image, the cover page you wish to use, and the business name. We upload, let's say, what do I have here? Okay, I have some ebooks here. I can put this. I can decide to put this. Okay, put this. I can also decide to use it again as my cover page. Alright, so put this one as my cover page. Alright, so that will go. So this is what I've decided to use for this. So I use this, I use that, and as well I put in my business name. The one we use is Blaze. You can put a Blaze, what your business, and you put what this business is all about. You can decide, you choose the language that this page, you choose the country, and you can write your address if you wish, and at the end you will say, anybody that comes to this store will definitely be seeing this particular thing. They will see your ebook, they will see the product that you are selling, and see every other thing that can be put here. Just as you put your Facebook account, how you arrange your Facebook profile, something like that. You put in your profile image and you put a cover image. That's exactly what this one is all about. So having done this, I'll just go straight to the store to see how to add our products. So this is our store, how it will look like when there is an activity in this shop. You will see total orders that people have made, haven't seen in your shop, and see the things they made orders. So the order will show here, the amount you have made from this, average order value. You know, if you are selling at 1,000 naira and there is 10 orders, that means you have 10,000 naira items sold. So this is where you take your stock or your inventories about your stock, something like that. Okay, but you can add products. Right now, you can add products like this one. You can say, I want to add a new product. You click new product. Which kind of product this particular page will pop up asking you which kind of product you wish to add. Okay, so it's a simple product. It's a recommended. A product is unique and does not offer varieties. That is what this one is all about. You can, since you are selling a single product, and just click on this one. Then you add the product name, the category. Before then you should have chosen a category. I don't know why they put it below. You choose categories. Alright, you say add new category. You can add a category depending on what you are doing. You can say products, or you can also products. You can say digital products. Digital products. Digital products. I'm just to keep it. Alright, so you come back here. Then you add the product. Right. Yes, you add the product, whatever product you choose to. Let's say book. Then you choose categories, digital products. Then you put regular price. You can put, let's say 2,000. I want to sell at 1,000 naira. What this means is that you are telling the customer, like in a way of negotiating, you told the customer that this particular book is sold at 2,000 naira, but you are giving the person 1,000 naira. So at the listing area, you will see this particular price crossed, which shows that this is no more the price. This is the new price. Like you have taken some price off the customer. It's just a way of marketing or taking something off. It's okay. As they said, allow multiple quantity in the cart, so the person can decide to choose plenty. The measuring unit, how do you want to measure the thing, is optional. Okay, you can also put this description. You can put description on that particular product, and so on and so forth. So is that of stock? No, it's in stock. Then you can create your product and click on curate. Say product successfully created, but we did not put an image of the product, so we can then come back here and put image. So add new image. You upload an image of the product. You can still use this, upload this. Alright, okay, so now the product has an image and the rest of that. So that's how you can list your products in this particular place. Then you go to payment, you go to shipping. Let's set this one up. Shipping charge. Do you want to be charging your customers for shipping? I guess you will not, because we are selling a digital product. So you check out side, you go to the checkout, the minimum order forms. These are the things you want the people to fill when they are submitting or when they are buying, so they'll be able to track their record, or able to get back to them as quick as you can. You need to collect some information or extract some information for your customers to enable you reach them out again. Like, since it's a digital product, if it's not an ebook, or where you can, or other e-products where you can send a link to them to download online, then you need to have their phone number, you need to have their address, you also need to know their name, so that you can be able to send them the product via a delivering agent. Alright, but if it's an e-product, you need to collect their email address, their phone number as well, so they can, since this is a WhatsApp shop, so you continue to WhatsApp them and create a customer relationship, their email to upsell them, and also to send them wishes and to create this customer relationship. It is a very, very important thing. People do not buy because of the product, they buy because of the brand. They buy because you have a relationship with them already, and not just buying the product. You find that sometimes you buy things you don't even need. You buy them, one, because the copywriter or the person who have presented the product to you was able to convince you to buy, even when you don't need it, or it is from your friend, or it's from a company or a brand name you already know, you buy. So you need this particular information in order to keep a relationship and also to track them and or to deliver the products to them. So you might need their names, you need an email address, you need their address, you also need the city and state they are coming from, depending actually on what product you are selling. So you can tick, if anywhere you don't need, you can remove it. Once you need, you tick them so that it will be on, so it will appear on the form when the person is filling the form. Okay, then settings. So okay, you can say, you can put a quote when the person is buying. What is it, and what do you want to tell the person? Maybe you have to say something again that will convince the person to buy. Alright, so you need to put this verification at checkout. You need to confirm actually if the WhatsApp number they are giving you is an authentic WhatsApp number, so that when you receive the order, you'll be able to track them effectively. So this particular place status, if inactive, that process will not take place, or the person will not be asked to verify his or her WhatsApp number when payment is going on. But if you put it active, officially this company will send the person a WhatsApp to confirm if actually the person is a robot or is it is not a genuine buyer. Okay, so when they have done it and confirmed, then they can proceed with the order. So you need to come and tick this once and make it active. The mobile number, you come here and check all these things there. Allow customers to check out with their mobile number, which is very, very important. Okay, while checking out, if user select a payment gateway other than pay letter, we will always ask for the mobile number. So if the person choose pay letter, you need a number. Also choose other payment system, you also need to ask for the phone number. So at verification, they need to send the person one-time password, which is OTP, the one you normally receive from your bank when you are doing a transaction. Alright, so that will verify actually that this number is correct. Alright, so you tick, if you remove them, they become inactive, but if you tick them, they become active. Alright, so you need to do that and you click save. Make sure you always save. Then you go to payment. Remember, we are setting up our store so that we can be able to collect money. Now you see there is Stripe, there is Razor Pay, there is Pay Letter, and also there is Paystack. So these are the payment systems that is required that you can use to curate your online store. Okay, if you are selling digital products, it's easier for you. If you are selling digital products, it is very, very easier for you to come here and configure these payment systems. Because what enables you to do that, while asleep, somebody can pay you. You don't need to come and start sending the person your account details, and the person will know your name, know where you're sending from, nothing like that of shit. Okay, it helps you also to protect your personal identity, even though, and work as a brand. It helps you to protect your personal identity, work as a brand. So if you already have a store name, probably with a registered business name, so there's no need for your identity. They are dealing with your brand now, so you can put in everything you need, and people can then pay you through this particular link while you are asleep. So if you're selling a digital product, there's also a way you can configure it. Then when you do it, the person can easily, automatically pay without you even knowing and get the link. Alright, at the thank you page, you put the link. Right after payment, the person will just go and click on download and download the product. It might be by 12 midnight, anytime. You might be at meeting, might be cruising, doing something else, but the money is just coming in. So that's the benefit of this particular payment gateway. So let's see how we can configure some. Okay, this is pay letter. Let's say this one, see what is there. The pay letter, they have already automatically started this one. You can say okay, save and proceed. We'll come back to this particular one, configure. I put it on, you have to activate it, and when you come here, okay, this is the options that will give you, publish key and secret key. So you remember we created a Paystack account, and this is Paystack. So when you go back to Paystack, we're going to extract some certain information and come and add them here, and take this one and add somewhere else. Alright, so we come here, we'll go back to our Paystack account. I'll go to our IP and page hooks. Alright, so we'll come to collect this key, copy this secret key, secret test key. It's copied, and I'll come here and put the secret key and paste it. I come back here again and copy the public key and paste it. Then this one, I copy this one here, this hook, web hook. Sorry, copy this web hook. Then I come back here and I paste it here. I will save my changes here. And I come back here. I save also my changes. Alright, this one is now enabled because we have put everything we need. Okay, we'll go to save sentence to see if there is other sentence that we need to set. Our currency is in Naira. We are collecting money in Naira. If you don't wish to collect in Naira, you can change your figure to other kind of currency. You can choose dollar, you can choose whichever currency you want, depending on where you are selling your product. And you save that one and you say visit store to see how our store looks like. Right. Okay, so this is how our store look like. If I click on this product now, right, to say, and I click on this one, add to cart, I'll click proceed this one, and this is the product that I've actually selected. I'll click continue. Okay, this will take me to this Paystack pay letter. So whichever one I choose, I need to put in this particular things. My email address. Let's copy this email. Let's see how this stuff work here. I put my email address. Put this. Alright, see what I told you. Person would like to confirm if actually you are the right person by sending you a WhatsApp. Okay, they will send you a WhatsApp notification to ask your phone to whatever. You make sure to confirm actually you is a download and install. Okay, the person actually will be buying from a mobile device, so it will be easy to track. Now I'm using a system. My WhatsApp is not on my list. Now I'm using a system. I do not put my WhatsApp on. So if I happen to put on my WhatsApp, I will automatically get a message from them. So that is how it works. Then this is my home page. This is how my page looks like. Okay. When you come, this is what you see. The store, accounts, settings. Alright, so this is all what you have to do in order to set up your business on a WhatsApp app that will enable you to sell on WhatsApp. Remember, as I told you, all this thing I did it on a system or on a laptop because I'm using a laptop. You can as well do it on your mobile phone. Every step that we took here is exactly what we will replicate. So thank you again for watching and participating in this course. As I said earlier before, in the other courses, we are glad to have you in this course, and we're happy that you bought. We appreciate the effort, we appreciate the commitment, the money you spent to buy this course, and that is why we make sure that we put everything that is necessary in order to make sure that this course that you are learning will be productive to you. But do not forget to pay original, authentic attention towards this. Alright, it's when you're able to do this that you have the effect of this course. Remember, if you do not take action, you will not have any results. Okay, buying this course alone, it is not a guarantee that you will make money. But the guarantee that you will make money is that you implement everything you learn from this course. That will guarantee you that you make money. Thank you again, and goodbye.